ma'am.
Yes,
Visible, ma'am.
these are the basic logic gates is nothing but with the help of these logic gates only we are going to design the digital circuits or digital components or digital systems, whatever. Digital initially we could mention components. So these group of components will be combined as a circuit. So these group of circuits will become a system. Digital components, digital circuit. So digital system. So initially these components, digital components will be made with the help of this logic gates only. These components will be built with the combinations of logic gates. Yes, we will see each and everything. So initially these are the logic gates and or not. These three are the basic gates. Basic gates. We could mention this as basic logic gates. So next, this NAND and NOR. Yes, this is acronym. We generally used to term this as not A and D. We used to call this as AND or not. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
this one is nothing but universal gates. Why I'm this has been termed as universal gate. We could let me explain this in future sessions. Then these two are XOR XNOR. Yes, these are the very much logic gates we are going to make use of in the designing digital components, circuits and systems. Okay, then let me proceed with that. Basic gates are nothing but and, not and or. These are the basic gates. Okay, initially AND gate. How the AND gate will be? The logic symbol of AND gate will be like this. Can you observe this, Vishwa? Symbol will be like this. Logic gates AND symbol and. You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to mention this as AND gate. Okay, it has two inputs. One input is can be mentioned as A, other input has been mentioned as B. Yes, now it has only one output. The yellow representation is input and this red representation is output. Yes, output could be represented as C. Now if you apply the input value, zero value, as logic value, that is binary zero value for the input A as well, then what you are doing for the case of if zero, the switch will be in off condition, right? For the case of zero, the switch will be in off condition. If it goes for one, then the switch will become on condition, right? Now for the case of B, again it is zero, so obviously for this to switch will be in the form of off condition. Then what would happen? The output, you could observe this for the initial condition, that is input 0 0, you are receiving output as 0 for the AND gate. For the case of AND gate, you are receiving 0 as the output, so obviously it's in the off condition. Yes, now the
Yes,
respective
ma'am.
off is nothing but false true, sorry, off condition false logic 0, that term and all you could represent like this. So for the case of one, it is on or true condition. This all you know. This all very basic concepts. Then the respective truth table of this would be what? We have two inputs. One is A and B, and the output is C. Then for the input 0 0, you are receiving the output as 0 for the. Now closely observe here for the rest, that is 0. So again the switch is in off condition. Now for the case of 1, if you apply the value of 1, now closely watch this, the switch becomes on. Yes. So for this again the value of C is nothing but
Zero.
0. Now the switch will be in off condition only again. So 0, logic symbol, sorry, truth table. If you observe truth table for 0 1, it is again 0. Now
1 0.
yeah, value become 1 for the value A. Now switch becomes on. Now B value becomes 0. The switch goes off. So respective output value becomes 0. Then switch is in off condition only. Now the respective truth table will be 1 0 will be 0. Yes. Now for the
1
case of A1 B1, the switch becomes on both sides, both input sides.
output will be on.
Output will be on. You all know, I hope. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You might have studied this
Yes, ma'am.
when you are 12th standard.
Ma'am,
No.
actually, computer also we studied, ma'am.
Sorry?
In computer science also we studied
Oh,
the same.
Okay, then that's easy, then quite easy. Okay, then this is the respective Boolean expression for that. That is nothing but we are going to multiply these two input terms, A and B is nothing but A into B. Normally we used to term this as multiplication. So we are going to process here binary multiplication. We are not going to process a decimal multiplication. We're just going to process it as a binary multiplication. That's it. This is thing. So and operator, so output will be true if both inputs are true, else it is false. This is the condition. This is the main concept you have to keep in mind. When output is true, when the output is true, this is the case. So when both the inputs are true, else it will not be. Yes, this is the main concept you have to keep in mind. Okay, then let me go with the next OR gate. So let me skip fast. Okay, since you all know regarding this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the logic symbol of OR. We have two inputs, A and B, then output 3. Then if you give 0, 0 input, then you will receive 0. The respective truth table will be like this. So obviously, if you change the input, again, now you have monitored, I hope, since the value becomes now 1 for the input of 0, 1 for the case of OR logic gate. Yes? So it has changed. Now, again.
1 0 1 1
yes.
plus 1 1.
Obviously, yes. Okay, then this is nothing but the binary operator will be what? It's just nothing but binary addition we are going to process. For the case of AND gate, we are going to process binary multiplication. For the case of OR gate, we are going to process binary addition. That's the single variation, remaining and all same. Here, when you observe this, output is false if both inputs are false. Here you could observe this. Output will be in false condition when both inputs are false. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay then. NOT gate. Again, you all know very clearly regarding this. You will have a symbol of a triangle and a buffer will be like this. This is nothing but it's going to invert the process. Yes? Also, it could be termed as invert process. So let me skip this very fast. Okay. If you apply 0, then you will receive 1 as output. If you apply 1 as then it will be 0. That is, this is nothing but complement.